So guys, I want to show you the worst part of machine. This is the worst place where you get stressed. You see, putting the needle here, putting the thread in this needle, it requires a lot of patience because the hole is very small, so you have to be careful when putting the thread. So after that, I'll come to show you how you will start sewing your clothes. Okay, meanwhile, this is the threads. This is where we put the thread. Okay, you choose the thread that you want. Okay, right now we are using white thread. You cross, then from there you put the thread and be ready to work. So you lift, you see, this one is you crossed, you lift it up to put your material. This is our material. See, this is our material. Okay, now I am coming to show you how you do the sewing itself. Okay, be ready